In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll walk through how to use Metricool's calendar and best times feature to schedule a post when your audience is most active. This process is quick, but taking a moment to understand what you're seeing will help your content perform better. Start by opening Metricool. Once you're in, head to the planning area. This is where you can visualize your content pipeline and manage what's going out and when. Inside planning, click on calendar. The calendar view gives you a clear layout of days and times so you can plan with confidence. Next, look to the top right and click best times. Metricool will overlay highlighted time slots on your calendar. These highlights represent periods when your audience tends to be most engaged based on your account's historical data. In other words, these are the windows when your posts are most likely to get attention. Take a moment to view the highlighted time slots and identify the peak engagement times that fit your goals. If you're aiming for broad reach, choose one of the strongest highlights. If you're testing a new audience segment, consider a nearby slot that's still strong but not the absolute peak. Also, keep your audience's time zone in mind so your content lands when they're actually online. When you've decided on a window, click a time slot. This selects the exact day and time you want to target. From there, click Create Post. This opens the composer so you can build the content that will go out at that selected moment. Add your content. Write a clear, concise caption that tells people exactly what to do or why they should care. Include your media, images or video, and any necessary links. If hashtags are part of your strategy, weave in a few relevant ones rather than overloading the post. Aim for consistency in tone and branding so your audience instantly recognizes it as yours. Once everything looks good, click Schedule. Metricool will place your post on the calendar for the time you chose, aligning it with your identified peak engagement period. You'll see it appear in the calendar view, which makes it easy to spot gaps, avoid overlaps, and keep your overall plan balanced. And that's the entire process. Open Metricool, go to planning, use the calendar, turn on best times, study the highlighted slots, pick a peak time, create your post, add your content, and click schedule. With this simple workflow, you're not just posting, you're posting strategically when it counts most.